Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
Now for the pound yen, this pair looks ready to move down again after some consolidation at this level. The upside, like if it has to consolidate further to the upside, I think it will be fairly capped. So our bull case is that we should see price test down around this 150 level, but don't be surprised if you see price go up to 153.5 before this downside comes. Now for the bull case, the 200 MA on the daily here may serve as some support. Now, if that happens, right, if it serves as some support, then we may be due for a stronger rebound. And this rebound should be capped here. Let me redraw this. So what I think the market makers might do is they could break down further, touch the 200 MA, and then come back up here, cue all the leverage shorts, and then come back and test down here. Right, and this is the bull case. If price does need to move up a bit higher. So, control your risk.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.